Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to unbox my first ever subscription box. I resisted trying subscription boxes for quite a while. I'm pretty picky about what I let into my collection. I like to mull things over, compare products, read reviews, do research on a product, and then decide whether I want to make the purchase or not. The thought of receiving a box full of products that I had no idea what they were going to be didn't appeal to me. But I've watched lots of unboxings on YouTube, and I've come to realize that not only are they a great value, it is a perfect opportunity to try some brands that I may never have another chance to even hear about. So I decided to try it. And once I made the decision to try a subscription box, it was pretty easy to decide which one to start with. Since this is an experiment to see how I like subscription boxes, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on one. And there aren't that many cruelty-free subscription boxes to begin with. Most of them are pretty pricey on top of that. I only found one that came in under $20. That's the Petit Vour box. And it just so happens that that is a box that I have seen several of my favorite YouTubers review, and they seem pretty happy most of the time with what's in that box. So I have subscribed to Petit Vour. Here's my first box. It's the December box. I got it on New Year's Eve, so I did technically get it in December. I don't know if it came that late because it was a new subscription. I didn't subscribe until sometime in December, plus the holidays, but I did get it in December. I have cut away the tape that sealed the box, but I haven't actually opened it at all. I wanted to do that on camera. So here we go. Let's get started. Ooh, pretty. I'm probably going to be putting my glasses on several times for this so that I can read about the products. On top here is a really pretty card. I've seen these cards before, but they're prettier in person than what they look like on the camera. This is the description of each product, so I'll read about each one as I pull it out of the box. Let's see, there's a little card here that says, "You are highborn." Let's see, "Bring bliss on." I guess maybe this is with one of the products. We'll see in a minute. Just going to pull out the first thing I come to here. This is from Caney Botanical Beauty. It is the Siren Lip and Cheek Tint Balm. I don't know if Siren is the color or... Let's see. Caney Botanicals Lip and Cheek Tint. It retails for $28. Wow. There you go. I'm already... This box is $18.95, I think, per month if you do it month by month. I think you can get it for like 15 something if you pay for a year at a time, but if you go month to month it's $18.95. So already we've more than paid for the box with this first product. Let me see what it says about it. It says, I'm going to try this magnifying glass. I've seen other people do this. My friend Wendy on My Life Wendy, she's one of the ones that has this box, by the way, that I love to hear her reviews of it. She uses a magnifying glass so she doesn't have to keep taking reading glasses off and on. Let's see if that works for me too. Okay, lip and cheek tint. It says created, I'm gonna try my glasses. Maybe that'll work just for shade names and things like that, but not for reading a paragraph. Okay, created with nourishing organic ingredients, this unique formula combines hydration and protection with rich mineral colors for a beautiful natural finish on both lips and cheeks. Sounds good to me. Let's see what color it is. It's in a pretty box. This is one of those brands that I know absolutely nothing about, so it's kind of exciting to try something from them in this box. Another thing I really like about Petit Vour is not only is it a cruelty-free box, but they're really particular about which brands they put in their boxes. They're all about clean ingredients, which I'm getting more and more interested in as time goes by. They're all about ethical sourcing and fair trade, all of those kinds of things that really are starting to matter a lot to me. This color is very, very vivid at first glance. I'm not really sure this is a color that I'll like on me. Let's see, I've got powder blush on, so that's probably not a good idea. And I've got lipstick on. I'm just going to put a little tiny dab and brush. Oh, hey. Now that is surprising. That's pretty. And it shears out to a beautiful color that I was not expecting when I saw that fuchsia. I got to tell you, my first impression was going to be like, oh my goodness, no. But yeah, just a little touch of it sheared out. There's the color. It's really pretty, really pretty. And there it is, just a touch of it on my cheek, just a little bit. Very pretty. I really like that. I'm very surprisingly pleased with this first one. From first glance, I thought, oh my goodness, that's not gonna, I'm gonna look like a clown with that on. No, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Caney Botanicals. I'm off to a good start. Okay, next is this. This is Balm. It's got some plastic on it. I've got my little knife here that I use to cut things open because I'm not patient at all. This is in a pretty box, it looks like. So far, I'm really impressed with the packaging. This Caney Botanicals was in this beautiful frosted glass. Nice weighty packaging. I'm excited. You know, I've watched several unboxings from Petit Vour by My Life Wendy, and also Kat from Naturally Beautiful Girl. She does this Petit Vour box. I've watched her for a long time doing her unboxings, but it's a lot different when you actually feel the weight of the packaging and see the quality and everything. This is a beautiful box, beautiful box. Let's see what it says about this one. This is the Balm Natural Lip Balm. It retails for $26. This rich, intensive formula contains plant oils high in antioxidants and antibacterial properties that absorb quickly and lock in moisture without leaving a waxy film on your lips. I like the sound of all of that. So let's see. My plan is to give a first impression on each of these products, and then when I get the next box, the January box, I'll come back and give you a thorough review on everything that was in this box. I know that's what Kat does, and I really appreciate when she does that. So I'm going to try that too. I've got lipstick on already. So let's see, does this have any color to it? It's a little, I like this kind of applicator. I have this kind of applicator on my Kapari lip glossy. It's like a little angled applicator with a little hole in the tip, and it's real easy to apply it on the lips that way. I'm not doing that right now because I do have some lipstick on already. This looks like a thicker balm type, and it is clear, so I'm not gonna be able to tell a lot over my lipstick. Smells delicious. Oh, that smells really good. So, oh, and it feels good too. It's not at all sticky. I like it. I like it. Not at all sticky. Yeah, I don't like a lot of lip balms that are thicker. So when I saw that it was a little thicker consistency, I was afraid it was going to be sticky, but not at all. And this little box is gorgeous. I almost feel like I should give this as a gift or something, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it. I like it. Okay, let's go on to the next product. This is from Fifth Dimension. Let's see what that is. From Fifth Dimension, this is Sub Rosa Serum, and this retails for $9. This is 7 ounces, so this must be like a deluxe sample size. It says, refresh and replenish your skin's complexion with a blend of highly concentrated antioxidant and omega fatty acid oils infused with rose petals. Apply a few drops to hydrate, soften, regulate oil production. I like that. I have oily skin, even though I do have mature skin. And soothe inflammation. I love the sound of all of that. So let's see what it feels like. I was like, it must be maybe a facial oil. It is a facial oil. I love facial oils. Love, love, love. Especially if they're going to work on my oily skin, which it sounds like it may, because it says it regulates oil production. And one thing I've learned as I've learned more about skincare is that the right facial oil actually helps your skin produce less oil because it's satisfied with that surface oil that it has. Smells very herbally and earthy and yummy. And it's going on my hand nicely a little bit. It's going a very long way. Facial oils go really, really far with me anyway because I do just use a little bit at a time. And so I think that this little bottle, even though it's tiny, is going to last me a really long time. I love facial oils. I'm excited about this one. There, I don't know if you can tell on my hand, but it just has a real pretty luminous sheen. Really nice. Just what you would want from a facial oil. I'm happy. Okay, and then there's one last product in here. I'm loving this box so far. This is a great box. I like everything so far. This is a little drawstring bag. And it says Highborn, Palo Santo, and Sandalwood. Let's see, a smokeless blessing. Oh, it's anointing oil. I remember hearing about this, anointing oil. Can't really tell. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my goodness. Okay, just give me a moment. I do love using scent for relaxation and for meditation and reflection. I'm not really an expert by any means on meditation or any of those kinds of things, but I do like to just take a moment in the evenings before bed and just maybe put some nice essential oils in the diffuser or light a nice candle. And I can see where this could definitely relax you and get you in the right frame of mind. Nice. Let me see what it says about it. Okay. Highborn anointing oil. This retails for $7. Not bad at all. It is a very small little bottle, but you know, it's gives you a good idea. It's enough to get an idea of whether you like it or not. It's just a little bottle. And it is very scented, so you don't need much. Okay. And it says, this ritual roller ball will cleanse and clear your mind. Infused with Palo Santo and sustainably sourced organic essential oils, Reiki charged crystals, and high vibes, this smokeless blessing oil will help deepen your self-care regimen. That's exactly what I like and exactly what I want. I'll use this and I'm going to enjoy it for sure. I am thrilled with this box. I don't know if every box is going to thrill me like this one did, but I'm thinking maybe I should have tried subscription boxes sooner. I don't know though. I'm happy I got to the point where I really could enjoy it and not be skeptical about it and be comfortable trying it. I'm definitely going to keep this subscription for a while after getting this box, and I'll let you know how the future boxes compare to this one. But so far, I'm loving it. Loving my subscription box, my first one ever. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell next to that. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.